So our garlic is now ready. After crushing it, one pot in this concoction. After pouring it there, we shall mix. Korogemu. Belenga mixing. So in this video, I'm mixing the languages so that people can get the local people and then the international people. Mixing. This is a very sad morning for us at Katap's farm. We woke up and found that the birds were all having flu. So bad flu. So what would we do? Giving them very strong herbal medicine. So in this medicine, we're going to prepare. I will show you all the plants that I have gathered. All the greens, all the plants, all the medicine that are here. So, mu video yenu tugenda kuba tubalaga buli kimu ekitukozesa nga tujanjabe enkoko zaffe. So we are going to use our matchbox. We use the drum, use the firewood, and our plants. They have been selected specifically for this. What we call Tetradelia riparia. They were going to call it the chewamala. This plant is good for the respiratory system because it has that bitterness and it is antimicrobial, it is antiviral, it kills everything. And this is ngabo yakabaka, which is also good for our respiratory system. So when you put in the medicine for birds, you're good to go. The chewamala, ngabo yakabaka. Biyamba kukusa kw'enkoko, biyamba ku mawugwe, enkoko ngesigala ngetambula, ngesenyiga egenze, ate nga tewali musujja. Eno tabo muganda tobacco. Abali mu COVID season, kano katike kayamba nnyo abantu ba COVID. Tegeza kusenyiga kakamwe nnyo. It is so good. It was good at COVID time. So if you have flu, this is very serious. This is cannabis. People call it njai. It's very good for cleansing the respiratory system of a bird. So today when we give them by evening, you'll be surprised to see that things have changed. Kanu enonjaga enjai eyambira ku enkoko okulaba nti ziwona kusenyiga. No bamuyita nakaselo. It's actually basil. It is something that treats the flu. This is very good for flu. I've got eucalyptus leaves. These are also good for the respiratory system. Enukali tusayamba ku kifuba ekifuba kyonna nga kirimu obuchafu. This is bitter leaf and it is good for fever, both in the birds and human beings. Guno muti gwe bayita omululuuza guyambako ku musujja. Kino kigaji. This is aloe vera, the magic plant. I have got videos about it. This is very good for fever, for deworming, and very many things. It has an antioxidant, very many things about it. So, Anukayushi. This was also good for COVID-19. By the way, even if I don't mention this name in English, you must be knowing it. It is a very famous plant. Very famous in the gardens, very famous in the bushes. Please, in your birds, it is just a big remedy. I also came in with a camilla. This is what we call a chinum. This is so good for flu. Onukamulali ayambako ku nkoko zo kubanga ziwonya senyiga nga ziwona omusujja. So safunye kamulali nga mwengevu nete wali kamulali muto. Kamulali asigala kamulali akuba. Funyeyo ne mulinga. Mulinga kiti kya mannyo ku nkoko. Kina vitamin, kireta appetite, ate chikilinzinga. This is a moringa leaf. It is so good in animals. It is an antioxidant. It is antibio. It's antimicrobial. These are plants that cannot be forgotten in a poultry farm. If you want your birds to thrive, this plant. I understand very well. If you're a farmer and your birds fall sick, it is always the worst moment in your life. I understand very well. Me, a farmer, I've been in this farming project. So I woke up this morning, I found the birds had flu. They were coughing. They had everything bad. They were not eating. I had to start this remedy straight away. So our fire is getting ready. Then we shall add on the water. right now we are done with all the plants. We're going to boil them for over 1 hour, and when you're boiling them, you must cover them. Just as I'm going to cover right now, you cover. Of course, I wouldn't have the top of this. You have to improvise, use whatever is available. Amatu wango bifumba osanikirako. Ate wango sandikide tosanikiza tunonya bintu byebei. Funa chona chono tutekeko. Nekinye kivera kyengenda okusibako. Bifumbe for ndakika nga 3 oba ndakika nkaaga eyo sawe munamba. Twagala bijje bulungi bibugume. Ate ngo bijjeko oteeka mu kidomala n'osandikirako biwolenga kidomala kisandikire. So when you, after covering them when they are ready, you put them in a jerry can, you cover it, and then they cool from the jerry can. We want to leave that evaporation, we have that vapor inside, not evaporating out, and then they lose the content and they lose the strength. Okay, right now you can see our drum is fully covered, nicely covered. Use what you have to get what you want. That is Katap's model, Katap's principle. Use what you have to get what you want. So they will boil within 1 hour, they will be ready. And then shall give our birds, they drink the whole day, and tomorrow we are done. So when the fruit is gone, the birds will thrive and our eggs will come back to normal. Someone was asking me for making a waraji. No, this is not waraji. It's herbal medicine for chickens, and they will be ready by today. I was so stressed in the morning, but now since I got the plants, all the plants, 18 plants, I'm not confident that I'm okay. So right now our concoction is ready. Our plants, our herbs are all ready. They are boiled for about 1 hour, and then we want to add in the garlic. This is 1 kilogram of garlic and half a kilogram of ginger. Shall crush them in this mortar. Because these are ready and are still hot, we shall put in, then we mix before we give to our birds. Kati ebintu byaffe bimaze okujja, tuta eddagala lyonna gye tufumbye liyidde. Kati tugenda kwongeramu garlic, twongeremu n'entangawuzi. Kati mu tutadde kilo emu, entangawuzi half kilo. Tugenda byongeramu kubanga bino biyidde, tukologe byonna bibeere nga bitambulira wamu, tuweereze enkoko zaffe. So our garlic is now ready. After crushing it, one part in this concoction, after pouring it there, we shall mix. Then, after 5 minutes, we give it to our bird. Once it's already cooled down, we have to take a mono. Korogemu. Then we are mixing. So right now, it's cooled down a little bit. It's a bit warm because they have flu. They should take at least, when it is a bit warm, open up those nose and the throat. We want them at least to feel warm. That's why we're giving them a bit warm. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have finished preparing our herbal medicine. Next step is giving the birds. Watch the video until you see how we do it. We just get this one, we put in half water because they are very sick. We are adding plain water, exactly, plain water just. I want to put in the feed because the feed is quicker for me than the water, because the water they take it slowly. So I want to put in the feeds because once you put the feeds, they eat and they drink. It is better for medication. see how they like it, and it's hot, it's a bit warm when their nose open. As you can see, we are cleaning up our pen, and surely, if you are affected by this flu, you have to clean up, give them the medicine, and you ensure that there is some warmth. So we are giving them warm water, but mixed with herbal medicine.